Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Ayla, also known as AKA. Today I'm starting a new series actually of a styling series, which I haven't done too much of like a series of this before. I've just done individual styling videos, but I wanted to start a new series surrounding styling denim for summer. It is now spring here in the UK, and the other day I was just having a look at my cupboard and I was just feeling a little bit stressed about options for clothes that I can start to wear soon when it gets warmer, and especially during summer when it's super hot. I'm not somebody who's a fan of short shorts or skirts generally. You know, there's obviously the exceptions. I think they look great on certain people, but just not me. And I certainly tend to prefer kind of more baggy street style clothes. So in summer I struggle a lot, but obviously streetwear clothing is more baggy. It's usually long sleeve, you know, hoodies, baggy jeans, all of this sort of thing. So you tend to struggle in terms of the heat. So I went on Depop the other day. I had £30 in my PayPal account so that I could hopefully buy a couple of things. I had sold some things, so I thought, why not reinvest that money into my wardrobe? And I was going to try and get as many things as I could for that £30 that I can style in a few different ways for summer. I wanted to specifically find things that are versatile and affordable, so that they're hopefully things that you could find quite easily yourself and hopefully don't have to spend too much money on either. So I spent a total of, I think, just over £30 on 3 pieces, which I thought was pretty good. Still not like dirt cheap, but it is definitely a lot cheaper than what you could get normally, and that's including shipping as well. I also tried to get pieces that are a little bit more my style, so you know, not everybody will love them. They won't be everybody's cup of tea, but I definitely love things that I got, and I think you will as well. So I'm basically going to be styling 3 outfits for each item, so there will be 3 videos, and this is the first video. So without further ado, let's get into the first item of this denim styling series. I hope you enjoy. Okay, that is the end of the first denim styling series. I really hope you enjoyed that skirt. As I said, not everybody's cup of tea. Skirts are not generally my cup of tea, so it was a little bit of a challenge styling this one for you. But I hope you enjoyed regardless. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in our next video, and get excited for the next styling series. Comment down below what you think I'm styling next. Bye.